Yo guys, welcome back to another video on our channel. What am I supposed to even do?
You're blowing it into my mouth. Look, just...
You're a fine one to talk about first.
Yeah,
Yo guys, welcome back to our channel, Fuzzy Garms. Yo guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Fuzzy Garms, and today, as promised, I'm doing a video because we hit 100 subscribers yesterday. For those of you who don't know, I'm Harry. I co-own Fuzzy Garms with Daryl, Fuzzball40, whatever you're going to call him. And yeah, here I am doing this now.
he's normally the cameraman.
Yeah, doing the editing behind the scenes and stuff that you see but don't see me. So we're going to go off to areas like Wimbledon, affluent areas, hopefully pick up a good deal. Car boots, charity shops aren't our favourite thing. They're not overpriced as such, but they're not there for us to buy for profit, which is understandable. So see what we can get, see if there's anything good, maybe go for lunch after. Hopefully, we'll come back and show you in a couple of hours' time what we've picked up. So we'll see you then.
That was his first intro. Took 15 takes, but we got there. Let's go! Alright guys, so we are now in Surbiton. Yanni, do you want to tell a bit about Surbiton?
So there's a few charity shops that we're going to first, and then you're making it worse. You're doing it.
It's okay to have you being a bit awkward camera. It's sort of natural and normal. So that's completely fine.
One eternity later.
So right guys, we're now in Surbiton. We've just come from Wimbledon. Yanni, do you want to tell us something about Surbiton?
So there's a few charity shops here that we're going to go to, see if there's any vintage shops about. Then we're going to go back home and show you all the things that we brought so far. And yeah.
He's so awkward, it's ridiculous. We'll see you guys in a minute.
Right guys, so we just got back from the charity shops. We went through them all in Surbiton and only 2 of the 7 were open. We got a quarter zip Lacoste jumper and a barber cap from Cancer Research, so we'll show you those when we're back home. And yeah, I think that's where we're going to go now.
Yeah, so I think probably head back now, but we might stop off on the way. But today's been one of those days. It's been a bit of a grind. It's been not too easy. We've gone from different towns, and a lot of the charity shops just aren't open. They haven't got the staff, or they're not open on Fridays, or whatever. So I'm pleased with what we picked up, and we'll show you later on, and it should do very well. But this is why at the moment, especially with COVID, I'm much preferring car boot sales, because there's loads of people in one area, so you just go around and pick up stuff all the time, rather than driving 10 miles one way, 10 miles the other way to try and find some decent stuff. There was a lot of good stuff in the Cancer Research shop, a lot of stuff, but all of it a little bit too highly priced in my opinion for us to make anything from it, and some of it highly priced in general. So the 2 things we did pick up though, very good value, very happy with those. So yeah, gonna head home now, we'll see you in a bit.
Right guys, so we're back. We have just...
Fine, you said fine, you started off well.
Right guys, so we've just got back from the charity shops. Bit of a grind, a lot of them were closed today. But
More than half, I think, more than half.
Yeah, there's more than half were closed today. But we still got quite a few bits. We picked up a couple of caps and jumpers we're going to show you now. Starting off with a New England Patriots cap. Daryl picked up this one. He knows a lot more about NFL than I do. Your things were in shot there, thanks for that.
That's right.
So yeah, this cost us £3 I think it was, and hoping to get a bit of profit from that.
10, 15 quid.
Next up we've got a barber cap, really nice, great condition, really good brand as well. £4.25 pay for this, hopefully a £15-20 return. Really, yeah, says a lot about it straight away. Good piece. Next is conveyor belt.
It is conveyor belt.
Next we've got a Nike sort of toiletries bag. There's another name for it, but we can't remember what it was. This cost us £2.50 I think it was. Quite sought after as well. A lot of people, I'm just £2.75, it makes you feel better. A lot of, it's one of those things everyone needs, sort of toiletries bag. But yeah,
Hard to
10,
find.
10,
Microns
15
are hard
pounds,
to find.
hopefully. And if you want to stop smelling the clothes, we've got a Lacoste quarter zip jumper.
That's a banging
A
pickup.
really good pickup. £7 we paid for this, but hopefully you should be able to get £20, £25. Perfect condition, logo on the front and on the inside of the collar there. So that's a really, really nice one that we've got hold of. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. As always, if you're new around here, please do consider subscribing. You'll have someone better doing the videos next time.
Never, you're great.
Yeah, I'm going to have to.
But first video done! First video done!
Peace out. I'll speak to you next time.